in between Cuba and Haiti. There's Haiti, the mountains. Pretty cool. An Anchor Smokehouse. Flavor Town. Double coffee. Morning from the back of the boat. Another day at sea. Tomorrow's Aruba. Nothing big planned today. Some onboard activities, some trivia. Might do the sky ride. Hit up the Java Blue this morning for a white chocolate mochaccino. Figured I would have a little extra time this morning, so that worked out. Tasty. It'll be a great day at sea. Looks like good weather. Excited. Hash brown fox. Bacon. First hole, Dex, what do you got? Ain't got nothing. Wow. Yeah, buddy. How was it? Good. Did you die?
No.
And I found a farm double
the walk down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. With who?
Let's take this magic stairway up.
That's the
Cucina
one I
del
gave you the other
Capitano.
day.
Lasagna.
Family day.
What you got?
I got Alfredo with mushrooms.
What'd you get?
I got linguine with butter sauce.
I got Alfredo linguine with Italian sausage.
Did you know that you can eat at the Italian restaurant on the ship for free during lunch?
What'd you get?
Alfredo.
Come on, Gray, you got this.
Here I am with Nina. How's your cruise going so far?
Great, loving the weather.
How was day 2?
Awesome. I love the fun days.
Good. You excited for Aruba tomorrow though too? Great. What's going on, Nina?
So actually there's like a cyclone forming.
Cyclone, huh?
Yeah, look at that.
How could that be a cyclone when there's this beautiful sunset? Such a beautiful sunset. Here it comes. You can watch.
Oh my gosh. Nina's cruise tip of the day. If you tend to get seasick, book a room on one of the bottom 2 floors. They rock less.
But the pain still grows. It's no stranger to you and me.